Great day, guys. It's Carlton. It's a beautiful evening, beautiful day. Now, today's topic I'm going to discuss from you. I'm going to unbox this humidifier I have here. So, we're going to unbox it. What's inside? Open. So we have here humidifier. It's color pink. And then we have also instructions manual, and also here the USB cord. So now we're going to demonstrate the humidifier color pink. We're going to add water from the pitcher. Now we're going to insert these and close. And we have here is the cell phone charger. Any cell phone any cell phone can do as long as 5 volts or 4.5. So you can here. Now we're going to take this, the light part, then next is the mist. And so the mist doesn't work, so the best solution for that mist is you need a wet towel, so because the mist is dry. So we're going to put this with wet towel to sponge. Then we'll on. There. See the mist, how strong the mist is. So the smell. So fragrant the water. This water. So it's good for inhalation. If we're having asthma or nosebleed or cough, you can smell this. But it would be preferred with essential oil aroma. So it's a beautiful mist. You see the light. It changes any color. The light changes any color. Supposed to be, you can see this in the. It's nice that glows in the dark. Since you cannot switch the lights because you cannot see the viewers. So I advise to try this. So we have, aside from pink, we also have white. So this is color white. So if you want white, we have white and this pink. So it's very nice. So this USB cord, if you have a car, power bank, or laptop, can be also the USB cord. So it's Carlton. So, watch my YouTube channel and comment down below. Thank you and God bless. Carlton.